Alright guys, so today I did a whole bunch of MC wire downstairs. They needed to get some stuff done down on the first floor, so I did a whole bunch of that all day. So the first clip was doing repulling a switch leg, going up and over to the light box vanity, and then here I repulled another wire and then ran some wire down to a new switch box down the wall, and then this is running a power jumper over to the switch box from the other switch box. And then this clip, doing another power jumper from box to box. And then basically from that same box, I'm running another power jumper over to the room next door. And then I believe I ran a switch leg out of that box, or there was already one there, I'm not sure. And then out of this box in the bathroom I ran another switch leg going up to a future can light, so I left a whip there. And then this box had a switch leg missing, so I added that coil up in the ceiling. And then this is what I was working on at the end of the day, the emergency bug lights on the wall, which the boxes are for, and then the coils are for the future exit signs once they drop the ceiling in, or however that works out. I think it's going to be a hard lid, so I'm guessing it's going to be like a T-grid ceiling or something like that, I'm not sure. But I was running around doing that. So there's another whip for a light, and then another bug light, and then exit sign. So just doing a whole bunch of wire up in the ceiling, just zip tying it to the steel framing up there. So that's all I was doing today was MC. And it has like this new it's a new type of wire, it has like a aluminum ground, and you just like, you don't even put it in the box, it's weird. So anyways, that's what I was doing there, and that's where I finished at the end of the day. And then I guess I did one more down here to the next bug light, so just jumping bug light to bug light and then interrupting with the exit signs, and that's about it. Alright guys, on the way home from work, had a really good day. Thank you guys so much for all the support on the last video. I haven't gotten back to everyone comment wise, but I've seen the emails and reading the comments, so thank you guys so much. It means the world to me, more than you'll ever know. So thank you for all the support yesterday. Just if you could continue to keep me in your thoughts and prayers, that would be wonderful. Greatly appreciated. It truly makes a world of difference. Just didn't even really get mad today, just like complete like almost peace of mind. And the day went by super fast, which is a double blessing. So yeah, so it was a really good day. Thank you guys so much. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate that. It would help me out. And we're almost to the 2,000 subscriber giveaway, so that will be soon. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Can't wait to do that for you guys. And hopefully you have a great rest of your day. God bless. And everything else is in the description. And if you want to be notified when I do live streams or upload videos, hit the notification bell, only if you want to. And I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Peace out.